Okay, swimmers to your blocks. Take your mark. Get set. Almost at the end. Almost at the end. You won.
I really kicked.
Yeah.
One more?
One more. Swimmers to your mark. Get set. Oh, she might. Maybe. Here's some pepper. Oh, she fell off the side of the swimming pool. See this? A little bow and a smile. And let's see that beautiful 6-year-old smile. Now let's see your teeth. Now let's see your teeth. No, put that down. Let's see this smile. Big. Oh, gorgeous. What a gorgeous girl.